Hi! In the next 2 minutes, you'll have Sim.AI running 100% locally on your computer. Without a Google account, without payment, without internet after installation, let's start right now. Here's what it looks like after we're done. You write your prompt. What's the capital of Romania? And in 2 to 3 seconds, you get the response. We are using a free API. Firstly, we need to install Docker. Install Git as well. Go to Sim.AI Studio on GitHub. Let's clone the repository. On C root, let's create a folder called Sim Project. Let's go to this folder and clone Sim.AI. Done. Let's get inside Sim folder and build our image using this docker compose.prod.yml. Done. We need to set the .env file. Go to Sim folder, apps, sim and open .env example file. Let's change the name of our database, which should be Sim Studio. Let's create 3 secret keys using git bash. Copy this command. Paste it on git bash 3 times. Copy these 3 keys into the .env example file. Let's save as a new file called .env. Go to your browser and type localhost port 3000. Create a new account. And you've got your app running on your processor. Let's add an agent block. Type some instructions for agent. In the model section, type :free because we want to use a free model with a free API. Go to openrouter.ai and create an account. Go to keys and create a new key. I have already created one. And copy this key into the API section on the agent block. Let's hit run to see the result. The capital of Romania is Bucharest, which is correct. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.